him with the screwdriver. And the... Oh god. God, it's so big. Wait. There we go. Look how tiny! That's average!
Looks pretty average. Some may say above average. Yes, upon further review, definitely above average. Shy nodders.
It's tiny!
That's not too bad, Sasch.
I've seen smaller.
That's totally normal size. Am I right, guys? Why is it slimy?
What? It's not! What? Where is it slimy? It's completely normal. What do you mean? Lily?
So it's smaller and still big in your hands. Coincidence?
It's
I
not
don't
big.
think
Look
so.
how tiny this boy is. How is he big in my hands? He is a tiny boy. Can barely use him. That's perfectly average. It's average.
That is bigger than expected. I thought you found a clockmaker one. Oh, so you cleaned it after? That's good.
No! Stop!
After thinning it trough. Looks kinda big to me, Chad.
Jesus Christ.
Hey yo, Lily, that's pretty big on a good day.